My name is Diane. I'm here in Wisconsin with my friend Bucky Badger, and we're here to show you how to make a mask out of a t-shirt.
You will need a t-shirt, paper, and scissors. You're going to take your paper and you're going to make it 2 hand widths wide and 2 hand widths long. That's 2 hand widths in both directions. Then you're going to cut off the bottom of your t-shirt and you're going to use your pattern to figure out how wide it needs to be. Then you're going to cut the end so that it is one big long strip. You're going to use your pattern and you're going to count 3 times, so you need it at least 3 pattern widths long. If you leave a little extra, it'll be easier to tie. Then make it look like a giant band-aid. Use 2 finger widths wide to cut your strips to make the ties to go around your head. You stop when you get to the paper in the middle. You fold the flaps inside, pull the pattern out, and now you have your mask. When you wear it, you're going to fold the flaps to the inside. So now we have our mask and it's ready to go. We're going to put it over our nose, tie it behind our head, over our ears, under our chin. You want to make sure that it's going on top of your head so that it stays there. So this one's going over my ear this way, this one's going this way, and I'm going to tuck this flap in so that it stays nice and tight to my face. Okay, now I'm good to go. The thing is, once I get outside, I'm fine. All of the stuff that's in my mouth and in my nose is going to stay in this mask. I'm not wearing this mask for me. I'm wearing this mask for you and for him. He's wearing his mask for me. Because if I sneeze or cough or spit while I'm talking because I'm too excited, I'm going to make you sick. And I don't want that to happen. So in order to keep you safe, I'm going to wear my mask. It's not because I'm scared of you. It's because I want to make sure that I'm not making you sick. One of the things they're finding is that people are the most contagious when they don't even know they're sick themselves. So we want to make sure that we're wearing our masks. The next thing you need to think about is I'm out of my house and I want to take a drink or I want to eat something. Well, I want to make sure I wash my hands before I eat and drink. But I also want to make sure that I keep my mask clean so I can put it back on. I don't want to, take my mask and have it like this, because now all of this space is going to be open to the air and could get virus on it. And we don't want that to happen. So the best thing I can do, okay, so I got my mask on. The best thing I can do is to pinch here and here and pull it tight so that the inside stays inside and the outside stays outside. I want to be super careful with my fingers and my thumbs because my eyes are going to be here. And I don't want to get that in my eyes. I want to have my fingers way away right here on the outsides when I'm pulling it away. Otherwise, I might be getting germs up by my eyes, and I don't want that to happen. The beauty of these masks is what they do is they keep you from touching your nose and your mouth. That's more of what we need to do, is to not put our hands on our faces and touch, because we do that all the time without thinking. And that's one of the biggest ways that you can get the virus, is by getting it in your nose and in your mouth and in your eyes. So be safe and know that we love you.